Good morning. It is Saturday, bright and early, almost 8 o'clock. And where are we headed, Kat?
The track of Autocross.
The track of Autocross. We are heading to Gulf Coast Autocross, the event 1 for 2025. And we're going to show you what it's all about, best we can. It's just Kat and I on this trip, so everything we record will be dependent on us. You excited?
Yeah.
There's the star of the show back there. Oh, it's her. It ain't me. Stay tuned. We're gonna have some fun. Ooh, look at the Viper.
Oh, look at all those cars. And we're action.
Make all the noise! Ah!
Oh well. Right here.
All right, you ready?
Let's do this. Let's not spin out.
Yep.
So do you have to wait till it goes yellow or green?
When the yellow goes out, you're staged. And then when it turns green, we're clear.
Come on! I told you specifically, do not spin out. And what did you do? You spun out.
Good morning. It is Sunday. And we're tired. Getting ready to head back out to Gulf Coast day 2. Actual race day. Our glorious hotel. We had a good night, good dinner with friends, celebrated Sergio's birthday, and now it's race day. So stay tuned. Day 2,
Hi.
race day. It's bright and early and Kat's already eating chips. Why not? Waiting for driver's meeting. Track pack prep booth. I can't talk. Got the exo set ready to run today. Subaru, Toyota, Toyota, Subaru. Why not? Which one's which, Ray?
FRS, Toyota, BRZ.
Slash Toyota slash BRZ. Toyota BRZ. Got it.
Whatever it was.
Slash. Got tire pressures adjusted. Looking gorgeous. See how we do today. We have plenty to learn still. We're still learning the car. Kat's learning how many snacks she can eat in one sitting. You gonna save some snacks for later? It's gonna be a fun day. Ultimately, goal is to do better than we did last time because we still have a lot to learn. We'll see how the day goes. Okay, so unfortunately today, race day, rules are a little stricter. What does that mean, Kat?
I can't ride along.
Yeah, they told us she can't ride today. We're working on a solution. We'll have to find more events that she can ride, but she did get to ride all through Test and Tune, so can't complain. So she probably got more seat time doing that. She rode with me, she rode with Sergio in the FRS, so she had a good time. She learned a lot, but today I will be running solo on the track. Still waiting for driver's meeting to see how many runs we were doing, but otherwise, outside of that, her and I will walk around and we'll look at some cars. How's that sound?
Bet.
All right. So fancy. Run 3.
Is it Nick?
He's gonna make me faster.
No, he's not. He's gonna guide you the wrong way because he wants to win a shirt by the end of the year.
Ooh. All right. 57 is my best so far because I guess I went off course on the first one when I spun out a little bit. All right, 4 runs done. Best time was 56 flat. Honestly, my best feeling run came out at like 57. I gotta look up the actual time. It felt better, but I was slower. I lost a lot of time on the back turn. Fixed that on the next run, 56 flat. And on the last run, my 4th run, tried to give it tried to push the car as hard as I could, and I spun it. So went off course, so that was that.
You got the highest score.
But worth it. I'm learning the car, I'm learning the limits of the car. So we had a good run on run 3, I believe it was, so I decided let's push it. I had a buddy of ours, Nick, jump in the car with me, another XSB driver, and gave me some pointers. So
That's funny. Nick and Rick.
Nick and Rick. So still learning the limits, still getting used to it. Yesterday, Sergio from Track Pet jumped in the car at the end of the day. I wanted him to feel the adjustments I made, and he ran a 30, which at the moment was the best time for that class. But he definitely showed the car what the car is capable of, so I have a lot of learning to do, driving wise, learning the car's limits wise, pushing it to its limit but not too far. Kat could not ride today, but she watched. She checked in after every run, and we had a good day. So, stuff to do my work on the course, and we are done. We are loaded up. We are ready. And then we begin the 2.5-hour drive home. So, all in all, it's been a great day, great experience for Kat and I. We are not done. We have so much more to do, so much more to learn. And in 2 weeks, we're going to Sebring to learn how to drive her on the track. So, until the next one, we'll see what we learn. Next time we come out to Autocross, we'll push a little harder. We'll continue to have fun. We'll get more confident in the car and see if we can't get more, at least passenger time for Kat in the meantime.
Yay!
What'd you think?
I think it was fun, and I would definitely want to do it and stuff.
Perfect.
Perfect.
All right, y'all.